Thank you for your interest in our incredible company. If you're an insurance professional, sales professional, or an individual that's looking for the perfect business opportunity, you have found it. Hi, my name is Sally, and I'm one of the leaders in the company you're about to hear about. I have 20 plus years as one of the top producers and agencies in the individual self-employed health and life insurance market. When I saw this opportunity you're about to hear about, I went to work, and in less than 2 years, I could have walked away from my very lucrative insurance business. The company is Ameriplan USA, and we've been delivering on the promise since 1992. The company is rapidly expanding and breaking all industry records as the nation's premier provider of deep discount healthcare programs. The need for our services are more prevalent than ever, and they sell like hotcakes. This is also a business that anyone can build part-time or full-time from the comfort of your home office. What makes and keeps Ameriplan so successful? It's because of the vision and commitment of our founders, Dennis and Daniel Bloom, who started the company in 1992 and have remained at the helm ever since. Of the thousands of network marketing companies that have started over the past 20 years, only a small percentage were around to celebrate their 5th birthday. Ameriplan has been saving families incredible amounts of money and making financial dreams come true for over a quarter of a century. Now that's staying power, and that's consistency. And for those of you considering Ameriplan, it's a confidence builder too. Success also means being a leader in our industry. And we have been since 1992. We're a multi-million-dollar company with a $25 million corporate headquarters in Plano, Texas. We're also Dun & Bradstreet listed and enjoy an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Ameriplan has also been featured on Good Morning America and written about in major newspapers and magazine articles too. Our mission statement is to provide extremely affordable money-saving benefits to families and an unsurpassed business opportunity for our benefit consultants, while adhering to the highest standards of professionalism, service, and leadership. To be successful as a company, there must be demand in the marketplace. And for Ameriplan's discount healthcare programs, it's higher today than ever before, and here's why. Even with the Affordable Care Act, almost 30 million Americans remain uninsured. That's 11% of the population. 50 million are either uninsured or underinsured, and that's not including the huge number of Americans that have no dental, vision, or chiropractic benefits. That's 17% of the population. Is there a need for Ameriplan's healthcare programs? You bet there is. You see, medical bills are the single biggest cause of bankruptcies in our country, accounting for almost 600,000 filings a year. And what's really astounding is that roughly 17% who file have health insurance. It's just that their deductibles and co-insurance have gotten so high, not to mention premiums, that it can still put them in financial ruin. It's now estimated that over 20% of the population between the ages of 19 and 64 struggle with healthcare-related bills each year. Clearly, the need for a program like Ameriplan's that can greatly reduce every family's healthcare costs is greater today than it's ever been since 1992. Ameriplan has 2 discount healthcare programs, Dental Plus and Deluxe Plus. Both are simple, effective, and extremely affordable. They both provide great values and save people lots of money. Let's take a closer look at Dental Plus. Just for $24.95 a month, and that covers the entire household, members get access to over 75,000 dental providers nationwide. Families can save up to 80% on everything from routine cleanings to root canals, crowns, fillings, even braces for children and adults are covered, and all specialists are included too. Best of all, there's no deductibles to meet, no dollar limits, no age limits or paperwork, and the savings are immediate. The Dental Plus program also includes fantastic discounts on vision with over 12,000 optical providers, up to 80% discounts on both name brand and generic prescriptions with over 56,000 pharmacies and chains and independent pharmacies nationwide, and on chiropractic care with over 7,500 participating doctors. That's Ameriplan Dental Plus. Now let's talk about our second and by far most popular program, the Ameriplan Deluxe Plus. For only $39.95 a month, just $15 more than the Dental Plus, it includes all the features in the Dental Plus program, plus a host of others. Let's review them. First, there's telemedicine, which can eliminate many of your trips to the doctor's office, not to mention those big bills. In fact, it's just like having a doctor in your family. This service allows our members to simply pick up the phone or email and consult with a doctor, not a nurse, 24/7, who can consult, diagnose, give treatment options, and write prescriptions, saving you countless hours having to go to the doctor's office. Our members love this feature. Experts predict that the number of patients using telemedicine will increase to 7 million in 2018, up from 350,000 in 2013. The next feature is ancillary services. This includes fantastic discounts on lab work, blood work, MRIs, CAT scans, and more. Deluxe Plus also includes discounts on hearing, diabetic supplies, Brains Direct, and wellness screenings. The final and probably most important part of the Deluxe Plus program is the Hospital Advocacy Program, which is administered through the CARES Group. The CARES Group is the most effective and aggressive hospital advocacy program in the country. How it works is on any bill that's over $1,500, which these days is just a few minutes in the emergency room, the bills go into the CARES Group, where you'll be assigned an expert consumer advocate who'll go to work on them and negotiate on your behalf. They've been known to negotiate down as much as 80%, with usually a payment plan negotiated on the balance of typically 24 to 60 months. Everyone, including you and I, needs the Ameriplan Deluxe Plus program, because if you have a health insurance plan right now, you probably have a good sized deductible and co-insurance, and Ameriplan can work on those. And if you're like the millions of Americans we discussed earlier who are walking around without any insurance at all, then the Deluxe Plus option is a must. And by the way, as an Ameriplan benefit consultant, you'll be able to have it too. To summarize, for just $39.95 a month, covering the entire household, our Deluxe Plan members have access to telemedicine, ancillary services, hospital advocacy, plus great discounts on dental, vision, prescription, and chiropractic services. It's no wonder why this program sells like hotcakes. In fact, it practically sells itself, and we write any size group. And that market is huge too. Value, affordability, and incredible savings. Ameriplan's discount healthcare services mean big healthcare savings for over 1 million families across the country, and growing fast. In addition to offering tremendous savings at a fraction of insurance premiums to our over 1 million members, we have also thousands of individuals and families from all walks of life making their financial dreams come true with this great company. Not only is the Ameriplan business opportunity one of the most lucrative in America, it's also one of the most affordable. In fact, for less than a bag of groceries, for only $99.95, you can become a traditional benefit consultant with us. And the great part is, everything you need to be successful is included, as you'll see in a few minutes. After the initial $99.95, then it's just $39.95 a month to month, with no contracts to sign, and that includes the incredible Deluxe membership for you and your entire household. What you see now are just a few of the thousands of testimonials that Ameriplan has received. There are so many benefits to having your own business and being an entrepreneur. As Robert Kiyosaki says, don't work for money, make it work for you. The power of the Ameriplan business opportunity is that you get to operate your own business with no employees or inventory or products to push. You're the boss, so you set your own hours and have tremendous income potential. To top it off, you're marketing the most wanted benefit in America today, an affordable health and dental care solution. According to Sandy Botkin, the former IRS tax attorney, every North American taxpayer who works a full-time job and does not have a side business is probably overpaying their taxes to the tune of $3,000 to $9,000 a year. We all need to be an Ameriplan benefit consultant, if not just for the tax advantages alone. Now let's review the ways benefit consultants can build a tremendous long-term residual income with Ameriplan. You'll earn daily sales commissions of huge 40% just by offering the Dental Plus and Deluxe Plus to individuals, families, and groups who need to save money on their healthcare costs. Earn monthly residual commissions of 40% each time someone you've enrolled pays their monthly membership fee. You'll also earn 40% monthly residuals on the benefit consultants you recruit into the business. This graph shows perfectly the power of building residual income at a level 40% commission per month per membership. It's easy to see how just having 250 memberships on the books yields a residual recurring income of close to $4,000 a month on the Deluxe Plus. With 500 members, you'd be close to $8,000 a month or $100,000 a year, and so on and so forth. Do you know how much money you'd have to have in the bank to generate that kind of interest? Millions. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out Ameriplan is your best and quickest vehicle to you and your family's financial independence. Like thousands of my peers, I chose the Ameriplan opportunity, and it's given me the lifestyle and freedom that most people just dream about. In fact, our founders, Dennis and Daniel Bloom, say it best. You give Ameriplan just 2 to 4 years of diligent effort on as little as 8 to 12 hours a week, your financial freedom is virtually guaranteed. Now let's review team residual overrides on the benefit consultants you recruit into the business. Your first goal is to become an Ameriplan Regional Sales Director. All it takes to get that promotion is to simply enroll 6 members or recruit 3 benefit consultants into the business. Regional Sales Directors is the cornerstone of our management overrides. As the benefit consultants you sponsor into the business get promoted to Regional Sales Director themselves, you'll start tapping into huge residual overrides on their monthly revenue. There's up to 33% in monthly overrides on your sales team once you've been promoted to National Sales Director, and all it takes is 4 Regional Sales Directors that you have personally sponsored to get there. You know, one of my favorite quotes was the late great J. Paul Getty. He said, "I'd rather be paid on just 1% of other people's efforts than 100% of my own." Duplicating yourself is the ultimate way to achieve financial independence, but you've got to have the right vehicle, and that's Ameriplan. You can also earn additional income by participating in exciting contests and promotions that Ameriplan runs throughout the year. And then, of course, there's the prestigious Ameriplan Cadillac Club. It's one of the most visible ways to celebrate your success and is also a great calling card for your business, too. Achieve earned income of $50,000 in any 12-month period and drive a brand new Cadillac, your choice, luxury crossover, coupe, or sedan. The Ameriplan business is simple. Use, save, and share, and everything you're going to need to be successful is provided for you from our incredible cutting-edge contact management marketing system we offer to internet marketing and customer support and sales support to conference calls and seminars to Team Ameriplan meetings and founders forums. We provide all the tools you're going to need to build your business successfully and the best training in the industry too, and all for just the initial $99.95 startup as a traditional benefit consultant, and then only $39.95 per month, month to month with no contracts to sign. And as discussed earlier, you and your family get the tremendous Deluxe Plus membership included too. Now there's also the Ameriplan Jumpstart Benefit Consultant options, which are a little higher startup, but can give you some incredible bonuses of $200 or more on each Jumpstart Benefit Consultant that you personally recruit into the business. If you can see yourself being a big recruiter, you'll definitely want to take a closer look at the Jumpstart program. So there you have it, the most dynamic and lucrative business opportunity in America today, with huge demand and the total platform and tools to make you and your family's dream a reality. But the one ingredient we can't supply is you. You must bring that to the table yourself. So whether you're ready to get started right now, have more questions first, or want to be an Ameriplan member, immediately what you want to do is go ahead and get back with the person who invited you to watch this presentation and get involved. There's a place for everyone with Ameriplan. We'll see you at the top.